Hey guys, this is Steven from the Green Engineers, and welcome to a quick about 8-minute update video, kind of what's going on. A few more things have progressed. Obviously, school has now been done for multiple weeks. I'm in kind of the role of working part-time at Applied, so that's good. I'm doing 80 hours a month there, and then 80 hours a month on the Green Engineer stuff, slash getting out from underneath other projects. So I'm still looking for a laser. Now the laser market is pretty beat up because, at least the import laser market, because of the tariffs from China. So that's looking pretty bleak there. So I was looking at a 100-watt laser for $1,500, but it looks like they want a it looks like they want to also have me pay for customs clearances as well as port fees and all that extra stuff, and then to go pick it up in Oakland, which is not that bad. But so we'll see. I might have to go from a 100-watt 4060 laser down to a 3040. I guess it's a 3040. Yeah, 3040 60 watt. So we'll have to see for $1,300. So those have already cleared in United States, and you can find them on eBay. So that might be what I have to do there. So that's for the fill factory and maybe some other stuff the it will be used a little bit for the it'll be used a little bit for fill factory, but mainly it's for the eco-based 3D printer, the bamboo 3D printer, for laser etching the art as well as cutting out the material. So that's for that. Then the other part is we're getting pretty close to finishing the design of the DIY router, which I'm going to do the final one of the final videos tonight. So basically tomorrow, which is Saturday, today is Friday, June 7th. Tomorrow I'm going to Hawaii, and I will be back next Saturday. So that gives me time to basically decide on the laser and order parts for this router here. So this router is going to be used to mass produce the shredder, as well as to machine parts for the fill factory and the multi-shooter. So then after that, I need to get a belt 3D printer. So I might order the parts for the White Knight 3D printer and do some more research on that in Hawaii before I go to bed and such. So I need the White Knight belt 3D printer. I need to build this shredder. I need the laser. I need an arbor press and a MIG welder. And I have the MIG welder already, so that's good. And then to clean the rest of the garage, so that way I could finish the multi-shooter, start manufacturing the shredder, start manufacturing the eco-based 3D printer, and finish up the design on the fill factory. So the main things are to get the shredder running, and to get the shredder starting to be manufactured, and to get the what's the other thing I'm looking for? Shredder manufactured, and then get the multi-shooter out, and also start working on the CAD to open source that, because I think it's a pretty nice project. And I think the Precious Plastic guys would really like that one because it does both injection as well as extrusion. So really excited about that. So hopefully I'll start a series on that. I can't remember if I started a series on Legit Tech Tutorials, which is another one of my channels where I designed this all in video format, which I'm going to do the last one here in about 4 minutes after I conclude this video, where I add the lead screw here as well as the lead screw on the bottom here that will be connected down here and pushed across. Okay, so that that's kind of what I'm working on right now. Obviously, Mecha Fair's come and gone. I did not get a ticket, so I did not. I have a small space on my wall now because I did not show there. I have three of them, and one of them I did not attend. I did attend one of them as a just a regular, not an exhibitor, but an attendee or just attended the event, I guess you could say. So hopefully we have everything working by next Maker Faire. By next Maker Faire, everything should be in order, and I should be full-time the green engineers, theoretically speaking. So I might still be working a little bit applied to get the money to come in, but as of right now, with the complication at work, I might not be working there in October. So we'll have to see, because of a recent downturn in tech this year in 2019. So we'll have to see. Anyways, so yeah, we are progressing forward. We're getting the equipment and the space to work that is very reliable and obviously at home, so I could, while this stuff is manufacturing the equipment, as most of my machines are now CNC, I could be concluding other work, so I could start looking for either a house to rent with a garage for myself, or a shop, so I could do this full time, as well as maybe some job shop work for Applied and other people, and also some consulting for doing other types of work to make sure that I could pay all the bills and do that kind of stuff. Okay, so this has been just a quick update, about a 7-8 minute update on what's going on and what is in the future for the green engineers. So we are pushing forward. We're getting closer and closer by the day. I'm starting to decide more on a laser and starting to finish the design for the shredder for the router, the metal router to machine the shredder, and things are looking pretty good. So that is basically it for the most part. Anything else? That's pretty much it. So more videos to come of me running that machine. I mean, me getting up footage of this shredder, which obviously is not super representative because the blades are not 15 degrees, and then have a video of my laser, a video of this guy being manufactured, and an my arbor press, and also the White Knight 3D printer, and more detail on the fill factory. Alright, so this has been Steven from the Green Engineers. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.